So if you click on admin, you will reach to the admin page, and you can click on the user management under the account. So you remember the structure, the organization, then comes the account, and within account you will have users which you can add. Under them you will have, account, under account you will have property. So with the help of user management, what you can do is you can actually add user or delete user. So let me go and show you for my web property. You can see from the on screen, at this point in time I am the only user, and if I click on the permissions, I have the permission to edit, collaborate, read and analyze, and manage user. So I have all the required rights since I'm the in this account is owned by me and the property is being added by me. Now if I have to add a user, I'll just click on this plus icon and say add users, type in their email ID, so I've selected an email ID and I'll edit the so I'll assign the permissions now. So I'm just assigning this user read and analyze, and I'm assigning him collaborate. I can assign him edit. So it depends on the permissions. So if I just say read and analyze and click, this user would be able to only look at and analyze the available raw data and create reports from it. So you can see can view report and configuration data. So if I add him as collaborator, he can create and also edit reports or dashboard or whatever is best possible in collaboration mode. If I give him edit permissions, he will be able to do much more than he can affect things at the account and property level. So I'll just leave it at read and analyze and save it. By this way I can add numerous users and give them different permissions. I can also create user groups. Remember, these users need to be there on Gmail. They should have a Gmail account. As you saw, it validates the Gmail account and adds them. So this way I can add the users and allow them to start using the Google Analytics for the property. So user management is one of the important features available. You can do it this at account level and also at the property level. So if I didn't want to add this user at account level, I can remove this user and add him only for the property. The difference being, in an account there may be multiple properties, so this user will be able to access across all the properties. When it comes to adding him under property, he will be able to only use for particular, look at the report and collaborate with me for only particular property. So if I have like 5 different properties, you may not be able to use it. So here you see I have added this user only for the property. You can look at in the heading, it says property permissions. So there are 2 users, one being the admin, other being a user who can only read and analyze. So this way I can do it. I can manage the user for my property. The user management can also be done at view level. So if you wanted to give someone access only to particular view, say example you wanted to give someone only test view, so you could actually select the view and assign again a user for the same. So if you will look at this user has, since he has the access to property level, so it's been by default he has permission for the all the views. What I can do is I can show you, if I can take him off from the permission, sorry, from the property level, you can understand what exactly happens. So I'll go back and select a view. So let me select, for instance, if I want to only give test view to a particular user, I can again click on user management and click on add icon, add users, and type in the username and read and analyze. So I'm not giving at account level, I'm not giving permission at property level. This is the least permission I can give to a user, so that he can only view the data and will not be able to affect any changes at property or account level. So this way I can do user management at 3 levels, at account, property and view level. Let's talk about dashboard now. So dashboard helps us in, if you wanted to have a quick review of important metrics, you can go to the dashboard and have a look from there same. Since you do not like to pull out reports or have time to review all the reports in one shot, you can create a dashboard which would help you to quickly review the metrics. So go to the customization and click on dashboards, wherein you can create a dashboard from here. So I would start with a starter dashboard. I would give it a name saying that my dashboard 1. With blank canvas you can create your own dashboard with a lot of widgets, which options which are available. So I'll just for now create and show you a starter dashboard. Create dashboard. So this is a starter dashboard. It would take little time to populate the data. If you have data, you can get to see all the required information which you're looking for. I mean, all the required metrics which you're looking for. What I can do is, with this dashboard I can move around whatever I want to. So instance, I wanted this widget to stay on top, I can do that. And if I wanted to edit any of the settings within the widget, I can do that also. So one is I am able to move around the widgets. The other thing is I'm able to edit the widgets. So this way I can create a dashboard and work with them. Let me go back to the demo account and show you if you have any dashboard. I'll select the master view. So here we go. So we have a dashboard here. We have different dashboards here. So the dashboards are pretty handy. Let's check out a couple of them. Let's click on device. So here you can see it's a customized dashboard which has list of desktop user. I mean, in comparing the quick view, I can see instead of going into report and trying to check for the sub levels and data table, I can just visually see here right from here. I can check on in one go. I can look at the matrices. So you can see desktop users, mobile users, tab users, desktop page views, mobile page views, tab page views, revenue by a device, the revenue share by the device. So here you can see mobile has the highest revenue share, revenue per user. So you could analyze all such data. You also have heat map, active users heat map. So you can populate such interesting data. You get templates also. So let us see real time. So what real time dashboard says. So it shows you about real time user. There are 20 users and where are they active from, and what are they doing, which page they are. So this another interesting dashboard data. You can look at SEO performance. So you can see the visits from SEO, which are the pages which have come in from, which search engine is being used, what are the highest. As you see, the organic is the highest, so SEO has been the major contributor here for the traffic. Which are the cities which are finding the website through SEO. So you can see the list of cities which are being using the SEO. Let us see one more, e-commerce. So you can see the transaction, you can see the average order value, total revenue, the products, top 10 products by revenue, again the medium. So this way you can see the snapshot of all the metrics, important matrices, which is affecting or which is very important for your business at one go with the help of dashboards. You can create, or you can also use readily available templates, which is called as Google Analytics Solution Gallery. So there are lot of stuff available in the solutions gallery. You can also upload if you like to, if you created a format which you like to share, you can upload the same. So you can look at different dashboards. So let's say PPC, just search for PPC. So here you can see there are different all-in-one digital marketing. It's a custom dashboard, so you can import the same and use it for your account. So I just imported a dashboard from solutions gallery, and I can use it for my reference. So this way dashboard is pretty handy, and you can use it for the instant check on metrics. So I'm gonna go into admin dashboard and show you there are real quick few options which you could come in handy. I'll switch the account to Cupcakes and click on all data, and I'll go to the admin page. So if you want to look at what has been affected at the account level and what changes were done, you can quickly review them clicking on change history. So this will load all the required information for you. And if you're looking to recover any of the settings or any of the things which were deleted, you can do that from the rubbish bin. Using this particular option, you can do that. For changes, follow the change history. Anything you wanted to recover, you can recover by, something which is being deleted by user whom you have given a rights and you would like to recover that particular information, you can use rubbish bin. So these two important things come in handy. There are other things like if you miss your tracking info, or if your tracking info code is not working, you can go to the property, click on tracking code, and you can recover this information. You can recover the unique tracking code, and you can also recover the tracking JavaScript code which you can use it for. There's one important information I just wanted to share. It's called Google Tag Manager. So if you're using multiple analytics and if you wanted to, instead of adding multiple piece of code, you can use Google Tag Manager, and it's a free tool from Google. You can add it on your website and integrate the multiple analytics functionality with the same. So I would like to also show you that you can link your Google Ads, that is your advertising, pay-per-click advertising account, with your analytics, and again define goal and track conversion for the same. So this also option is available. You can link your AdSense. AdSense is for blogging, so this also can be linked in your analytics account. These options are available at property settings. Let me discuss a couple of more things before I could close out this demo. Let me show you something called segments. So this is under the view. You can create segments. So I've created one. I just wanted to show you how what exactly the segment contains. So I'm filtering basically according to demographics and technology, that is Android users between 18 to 44. So I'm just trying to focus. This particular thing comes in handy when you're focusing on particular group or a segment within your target audience. You can use it and you can try and apply in your report. So I'll just show you how I can create a new one. Let me copy the one which is there. I'm going to create two segments, which is one will be for the iOS users, other will be for the Android. So the demographics remains the same, gender remains the same, the technology will change. So I'll say iOS users. So I'll just rename it to iOS 1 and save. Now once I created these segments, I can go ahead and use it on any of my reports to segregate them. And what I will do is I'll go to the acquisition apply this to various traffic which has come. So once I've created the segment, I can add that segment, enable the segment. So Android and iOS. So and click on apply. So now you can see the you can have comparison for overall data and breakup of for each of the segments which I have created. So we could see even on Android and iOS, the referral the organic search has the highest share, and I can get required data, breakdown of required data for each of these segments. So if you wanted to take it off, I can take it off right away from the main panel and just look at which segment I would want to focus on. So if I just wanted to look at only the Android users report, I can just take off other segments and have a check on it. This basically helps us in focusing the subgroup within the target audience, and it is important at times when you run a specific campaign for a certain set of people, or test market certain things, you can use segments to check on the same. So you can easily remove or add back any of the segments using the menu selector. So this is one of the thing. Other thing is you can go and check this particular solutions gallery which I had discussed while doing the demo. So it has most popular reports and also dashboards readily available. So you can see top dashboards, custom reports, top segments. So whatever you wanted to, you could use and import in your analytics dashboard and use them. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next one.